The past is your playground. Abstergo.
Hello, Initiate. Recently, Abstergo Historical Research began several new projects in London. We both know that when Abstergo makes big moves, the Templars are up to something. We think they're hot on the trail of a new piece of Eden. I've got people in London looking for it.
Hey, Bishop! Jacob and Evie Fry are twins. How awesome is that?
Speak of the devil. Fire up your cameras, Bex. I've got picture. ETA on the payload?
Sending it now.
A lot to sift through. I'm gonna get the Initiates on it ASAP.
You look weird with a weapon. Let's plant a little bug and see what we can see. Got something. Isabel Ardant has a meeting here in a few hours. Doesn't say with who.
Doesn't say with whom, Rebecca. I suppose it's down to Muggins here to find out.
Hold on. The mission was to find data to locate a piece of Eden in London.
We did.
And now, I am eager to try this new kit.
I don't like it when those two go off book like this. Well, all we can do is take a deep breath and move forward. You'll be searching for the piece of Eden through the lives of Jacob and Evie Fry, twin assassins who operated in Victorian London. Your first set of genetic memories are downloaded. Good luck.
Brother George, it is as I feared. London has fallen. Thrice I have written to you begging your aid. Thrice you've responded with silence. And yet I write again. So desperate my need, so few my options. I need you. London needs you. You would say it is too great of a task, or that it is not yet time to strike. Patience, you would counsel. But whilst you wait, the Templars consolidate their power. They have chosen a Grand Master so ruthless, so thorough, one might think Reginald Birch himself had returned. His name is Crawford Starrick, and he intends to rule the world. There is no aspect of society he does not control, no industry that escapes his grim touch. By day, it is corrupt merchants and venal politicians who hold court. Come night, a vicious street gang known as the Blighters strikes terror in the hearts of all. There is no business untainted by his poison, no person unexploited, be it by duplicity or force. Our enemy has designs on the highest office of them all. And so, as you look inward, and dare I say it, afraid, Crawford Starrick's ambition is fixed on the beyond, to kingdoms and continents as yet unconquered, though not for long, for he knows. As I have warned you, time and time again, whosoever controls London controls the world.
The iron ship's from here. The Templar running things is Rupert Ferris and our target 1. Target 2 is Sir David Brewster, who's got his hands on a bauble that could ruin us in this wretched war. Think you both can handle it?
What a question.
All right. My mistake. Ladies and gentlemen, the unstoppable Fry twins. See them nightly at Covent Garden.
George, honestly, I've studied the plans of the laboratory and have every route covered.
And I've got all I need right here. I'll extend your regards to Ferris.
Chat later, George. We've a train to catch.
Jacob! Evie! May the creed guide you, you vagrants!
Poor man. More afraid than ever. Years have not been kind.
Evie Fry, where do you get it from?
The same place as you, Jacob.
Have fun.
Don't die.
How long does he intend to go on like this? He's disrupting the other workers. Shut his trap and get the machine fixed. And send me some laudanum for my head.
Coming right up. Locked.
What do you think you're doing?
No one goes in or out, unless there's a problem.
I hold the machines. That door opens, and I have my route to Ferris. Always work on the fly.
What's all this? Which one of you is responsible? I'm not cut out for this kind of thing. Who are you?
The sanitary inspector. This man is dead.
You're the dead man!
Run along home. I'll teach you how to fake good work.
Ferris, I'm coming.
Mr. Ferris has mandated that those who work in the factory over its turf will receive double rations.
Time to head for higher ground.
Shouldn't bother coming back. Supper has been cut back to a half hour. Use the machines carefully. Any missing fingers, and it will be your job that goes missing. Mr. Ferris has made note of our declining production. He demands more iron be produced each day. No time must be wasted. Profits and production must increase twofold. Your wages extra overseers have been appointed.
Mr. Ferris's office is there, and he will watch you like a priest, he will. Impressive, referee ahead.
Steady there.
Plain and clear. Work your bollocks off, and you get a good pay. You don't, then you can run for your gunner. Hurry, or I'll be down on you like a ton of bricks. If the job ain't shipped in 2 hours, you'll be losing half a day's pay.
Things start getting nasty. You won't be complaining, I can tell you.
I've always managed before.
Heads up! We have intrusion! I'll smash your face in!
Not what I wanted to see today.
You see it? I see it!
Frightfully rude. I'm shocked. Parity He scurried off to his ideal.
This is wrong.
We workers must stand together. We're gonna break you kiddies in. Mr. Ferris rewards forced workers. Let's do it.
With your lot in life, these are natural troubles that affect the lives of others.
I'd love to break you. Starving your children.
Mr. Ferris, sir, the lad in the factory should be taken to be bandaged by the apothecary.
Fine. But dock his wages.
Yes, sir.
Shall we
arrive at a final price, Mr. Ferris.
I am pleased to inform you that I have...
What's he doing here?
Got you like a
Oh, shit!
What's he doing here? Let's make a mess! Oh, Christ! Oh, you'll be sorry!
Oh, Christ!
Take this down. Dear sir, I am pleased to inform you...
What is this?